Good morning, students. Welcome to Good Samaritan School online classes. Today we will study experiments with water, its questions and answers. Let's see a quick recap. Only those objects float which cannot displace the amount of water as their weight, like thermocol sheet and football. We have seen this before. More amount of salt in water will make things float. Water flows quickly than oil. Many food items are made by drying them in the sun. Let's move to the first question. Why do objects float? Objects float when objects cannot displace the amount of water as their weight, so then they float. Why do people float in the Dead Sea? People float in the Dead Sea as it is the saltiest of all sea, and in salty water all the objects float, they do not sink. Why does water slide faster than oil? Water slide faster than oil because water flows quickly than oil. How is salt made? The sea water is collected in shallow beds dug in the sand. Water is allowed to evaporate in the sun. Water dries and only salt remains on the ground. So this way salt is made. B. Tick mark the objects which will dissolve in water and cross out the ones which will not dissolve in water. So here is the first one, cement. Cement does not dissolve in water, so I have crossed it out. Then the second one is sugar cubes. Sugar cubes are able to dissolve in water, so therefore I have marked a tick here. The same way you have to do the rest of these, children. I have written it for you here. Sand, this is the chalk, and these are the pebbles. So you have to think and figure out which one will dissolve and which one will not, and accordingly mark a cross or a right tick. Next one is a fun exercise. Find the words from the maze and take help from the clues given below. So here are the clues for you, and these you have to use to guess which object or which thing they are talking about. I float on water and carry lots of people on me. What is it that floats on water and it carries lot of people? It is ship. So now I have to look for ship in this maze. So I have already found it, SHIP, ship, and I have shaded it for you. This way you have to find the rest. The second one also I have done. I dissolve in water and make it sweet. What is it? That is sugar. Again I looked it into the maze and I found it here, sugar. So again I shaded it. So now the rest of the four are to be done by you. You have to guess which one it is and then look for that in the maze. Okay, students, we will meet again in the next class.